Morning, everybody. Happy New Year. This is January 2019. This is a follow-up video to one I did not too long ago, about a little over 6 months ago, about switching from a Garmin to the Simrad, and also upgrading to the Florida Marine Tracks mapping chips. Just going to do a 6-month update, kind of let everybody know my thoughts on it after using it for over 6 months. First thing, the Simrad, love the unit, great. I was a little skeptical at first about getting such a large, 12-inch screen. I wasn't sure if it was going to be too much for the dash, but after using it for 6 months, it's fine. I'm glad I went and splurged a little bit and did a little bit of extra size. It was well worth it. I'm glad I went with the NSS series and not with the Evos. The more processing power, the better screen resolution, and all around better performance. And it kind of, to me, it feels like I'm kind of future-proofing myself for updates. I'm not worried about the unit not being able to keep up with, a few years down the road. One little thing that I did have an issue with during an update on the NSS, and this might help some of you out as far as doing updates, or if somebody else saw this issue. The update did fine. The only thing I had a problem with was after I did the update, it kept popping up saying I had downloads to complete or software to update pending, things like that. But it was currently on the latest software and everything. And what it turned out was I did the Wi-Fi backup. I'm not sure if it's good to do that anymore, or I might just do it by the old chip method from now on. But if you do an update and you keep getting pop-ups telling you that it still needs to update or there's downloads to do, go in your storage and go to transfers, and there'll be, like on mine, I had a list of a couple items that were completed. It said 100% done. The update was done, but for some reason the transfers were hung in there as pending, even though they were 100% complete. So you just select them, hit cancel or delete, and that'll resolve that issue. Just a little quick tip on that. Now, Florida Marine Tracks. Awesome software. Just to be clear, I'm not getting anything for this. Glenn is a great guy. He gives us a lot of help, a lot of tech support, a lot of communication, but he's not giving me the software. I don't get anything for this. I'm not getting anything for doing these reviews on the product. I just enjoy the product and want to help out the community. After using it for 6 months, was it worth it? Absolutely. Would I buy it again? In a heartbeat. I can't tell you how nice it is to get on the boat, crank it up, and drive somewhere I've never been before and have confidence in. I know where I'm going. I can see the obstacles. I can see, what's in front of me or what's behind me or what's around me or what's coming up around the next corner. Anywhere up here on the Nature Coast where we're at, we drive around. You never know if there's a bar there, or if there's a crab trap, where the buoys are, where the haulovers are, just rock piles, and to be able to go into the map and zoom in and see where obstacles are, where the shoreline is shallow, where the deep water is just extremely helpful. And anybody that's gotten on this skiff and has seen what the mapping software can do, it's always the same thing. It's wow, holy crap. I've heard about that, but I've never seen it. Or, people ask me if, do you have that FMT? Yeah. Is it that good? Yeah, it's that good. And it's only going to get better. Running through these airboat trails, and you can find spots in the back, where they're deeper. It's cold, wintertime fishing. You're looking for the deep troughs and guts where the fish congregate. But yeah, it's a fantastic product. Glenn puts a lot of time and effort into it, and the amount of hours that's gone into the production of this software is immense. I mean, I can't imagine how many hours he spent. Um, the price is what it is. It's comparable to what you get in other products on the market. The updates he'll do. The first year is free. After that, I think it's $100 or something like that for an update, and they're only going to get better. I mean, it's the software's coming out, the mapping's coming out better and better and better. I know currently I'm waiting for him to finish up on this Big Bend area. He's got some new mapping coming out, or new imagery coming out, and it's supposed to be better than this. I mean, it's already awesome. I mean, you can already pick out bars and everything, but from what he's told us, it's going to be even better, which I can't imagine. But yeah, it's give him a call if you're on the fence. You can take it from me. It's well worth it. It's a tool. It's well worth the investment. It's a fantastic product, fantastic support. It's the difference between driving a Fiat and driving a Ferrari, and the money's not that much different if at all. But just want to do a quick update. I know the other video was quite long. This one I'm going to try to keep down a little bit, but he does also underwater high definition sonar. I think now for you guys that have bay boats or deeper boats that go out deep, and you can run that in conjunction with these inshore chips, the inshore mapping, and it's just going to get better. I mean, he's got the right product. He's got the right mindset. He's generating a product for people to use that's helpful to them, not just for the bottom line or for the sake of putting it out there. It's not big business. It's it's hands-on small business mentality, and I really enjoy supporting people that look out for us in the skiff community and put out a valuable product that helps us in day-to-day work and helps the customers day-to-day with their investment on a boat. The last thing you want to do is go drop whatever your market your price point is, 20, 40, 60, whatever, on a skiff and take it out the first time and crash right over a bar you didn't see because the light was in the wrong spot, or the water was a little murky, or you didn't know what the tides were. Where you can get this and have everything on one screen and get all the information that you need to basically almost make it idiot proof. And if you hit something, it happens. That's what insurance is for. But that's another way to look at it. Insurance ain't cheap, and take whatever your deductible is. I'm pretty sure that if you get one of these chips from Glenn, that it'll save you at least one deductible, if not many. So that's another way to look at it. How much is a lower unit worth, or how much is a whole repair worth? There's many ways to do the math to justify it, but it's a fantastic product. Like I said, fantastic support, and we really let our customers know about it. We let them see it and make the decision for themselves. But the response has been overwhelming. I think we've installed it on every skiff since we did the update on this one. I mean, every one of them has gotten it, and just wanted to do another quick update. And if you have any questions or comments, look us up at microdraftboats.com. Shoot us a message, call us on the phone. If you want to see a skiff, take a ride. If you want to see Florida Marine Tracks on a boat, We've got 2 demo boats. We'll be more than happy to show it to you. Like I said, we don't get anything from Glenn at them for doing this. We'll just tell you to order it from him. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Tight lines, everybody. Have a good day.